Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Oftentimes, I am asked how should we develop our intuition and what are the common blocks that we may have while doing so. And one thing that I often see with these questions is a lot of people want to put in a lot of effort to develop their intuition. I hope this video clarifies this one thing, that intuition does not need a lot of effort. Intuition, on the contrary, is something that flows very smoothly. So if we are putting a lot of pressure on ourselves or we are trying too hard to achieve something intuitively, we do tend to block ourselves even more. Instead, if we focus on simple things in our day-to-day life to rely more on our intuitive abilities, it comes to us very smoothly and flows in a very natural way without creating obstacles and without creating problems for us. So remember that intuition needs to be free flowing. It should not be something that needs a lot of effort or performative. It's not a test to see how good we are with this skill, but rather something we need to integrate into our lives, in our day-to-day decision making process, in our day-to-day things that we do every single day, in our day-to-day routine, so that it becomes so integral to us that we don't need to do anything extra to develop this skill. I know it may sound very vague right now, but think of it this way. If we set time aside to practice intuition, then it becomes something that we are putting in an effort and we are keeping aside from throughout our day. But if we do decide that we wish to integrate intuition into everything that we do, it becomes a natural skill that we are using every time. This fact that we use it every time creates a lot of consistency, and that consistency also leads to great results. For example, every time you wake up in the morning, before you check your phone, you want to intuitively think of what time it is and then check your phone for your validation. Then when you are stepping out, you can intuitively communicate with the landscape and understand what is the weather like, what is the traffic like, what time approximately you reach your destination, and see if that matches to your physical reality. Then even when you are at your workplace, intuitively have a plan for the day and see if that materializes too. You can repeat this process in everything that you do to help you integrate your intuitive skills rather than pressure yourselves into bettering it. This is how we learn to rely on our intuitive ability rather than feeling stressed by it. Intuition is not something that we need to learn. On the contrary, to make sure that we are depending and relying on our intuitive abilities better, we need to unlearn a lot of things that we have learned in our adult life and just reconnect with this innate ability that we have all been blessed with. However, it's important that we don't look at it through the lens of fear or performance or accuracy. We look at it from the lens of a natural gift that we have from Mother Nature and allow it to flow very freely so that it feels pure and natural rather than something that is forced and hence puts us into pressure. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have done things to make your intuitive abilities stronger by integrating them into your regular life, please do comment in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.